Guys, today I will show that the app which gives incentives by just taking a lease of codes. This is the app you need to use, your network app. This is how the app looks like. Here you can see this is last 7 days of incentives I got. This is the license code. I will show how to get that license. Go and search unity-op.com. Directly we will get this interface. Now copy this code, automatically you get here, and you can get in Google Play or Apple Play Store. Click on whichever app you need, and in Play Store you can need to download and install it. After opening, it asks for node operator. In that, select the node operator, and it asks for lease license code. In that, paste the code you have copied in the website. After that, you will get this interface, and you need to see these 3 green dots to active your account. After, to get extra incentives, you need to connect this caller ID testing. Means you need to add your phone number and get an OTP. You will receive phone calls from international calls. Just accept it and come to app, open this, click on this report caller ID. If you have call, it will open, and it asks for caller ID that you need to copy and paste here. After that, you will get some incentives from that. Same as it is, you can get from the SMS testing also. Add phone number, just that's it. Daily you will get some incentives on your pack. You can see here minimum uptime 30%. This shows you need to be active until the 30% level reaches. You can earn up to 100 also. You can see here this 30% means, wait, in 100 you will earn only 30%. Other 70% will go to the lease manager, which you are using the lease license. Daily, after 24 hours, you will get incentives. See, I got this much incentives every day. One Unity network coin is $1. You need $5 to withdraw it, but in the application you can't withdraw directly. You need to go on another website, and there you can get withdrawals when you earned $5 nearly. I will make the next video when I got $5 and I will show how to travel it. Thank you. Please like this and share this. Subscribe my channel to see new updates on this network. Thank you.